Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to show you how to fix the search bar on the header not coming along with the sticky header in WordPress blocksy. Okay, so this is a quick one for you. We have our search bar over here, or search icon, or basically any element actually. And we have it here, but when we scroll down and our sticky header appears, the search bar isn't there. So how do we fix that? Alright, first we're going to go ahead on the top tab toolbar over here and click on Customize. And that takes us to the WordPress Customizer. Okay, we're going to go ahead and click on Header. We're going to go and, well, one thing you can do is just put the search box down here, but it's not always an option. So let's go ahead and click on Headers, click on Global Header, and you can see we have our sticky options here. We have only main row selected. So as you can see, we have top row and main row. So since our search box is on the top row, we can select top and main row, or there's some permutations here, only top row, or main and bottom row, or all rows. And that should fix it. So when we scroll down, our search bar appears. So let's go ahead and click on Publish. And we'll wait for that to save. All right, let's have one last look. All right, doesn't appear. Let's go ahead and reload our site. And when we scroll down, our search bar comes along with our sticky header. So hopefully that helps you out with any problems you've been having with this. Hopefully we've explained it very clearly. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as it really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm. Show this kind of video to other nerds like us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.